Schindler's the port technology. I'm here waiting for the Schindler engineer so that we can diagnose an issue between the lift integration and the access control system. I was here all morning, but in the end the Schindler engineer didn't turn up. Happy days, as instead I was able to make this video. First of all, let's take a ride in the lifts, then we'll have a look at the client software. Now I do have an administrator's card which lets me into certain functions, but it doesn't let me into anything that interesting. Here is the lift client software in the security office. Although I have administrator logon, it doesn't let me do anything that interesting again. The basics, then we come back here during the morning peak period to see how busy these lifts become. At the top are the 4 passenger lifts A, B, C and D, and the goods lift E with front and rear doors. Between the gap is a green line showing the load of each lift. The green arrows on the left of the doors are landing calls that have been allocated to a particular lift. In the arrow is a number which represents the number of people waiting. Occasionally you will see a blue P, which represents a lift that's been commanded to park on a particular floor. The red arrows are car calls and the number of people that will leave the lift at that floor. Now, I'm not a great fan of the graphics here. I understand that developers had to make this in some kind of block form so that it could be easily set up for any building size. But the lift doors look like balconies, and the icons are a bit, well, clip arty. Just a reminder, we are coming back to look at this during the morning peak period. You'll see lift A and B going out of service. I'm assuming that CLEA means it's in some kind of cleaner mode. Just to be sure, let's go up and have a look at the 9th floor.
Lift A.
So that confirms it then.
Car. Door opening. Door closing. Ground floor. Door opening.
To finish off, here are the lifts during the morning peak period.